welcome to today's video, guys. Now if you are looking for the best mobile screen recorder to capture your tutorial, gameplay, or favorite moment, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you guys the top screen recording apps for both mobile app and iOS, covering the free and the premium option with amazing features like high quality resolution, internal audio recording, built-in editing tools, and all you just need to do is to stay tuned and find out the perfect one that you need and the one that fits in your need properly. So let's get on with it. So from Android, for Android users, the first one on the list is AZ Screen Recorder. Now AZ Screen Recorder does not include watermark, and it also doesn't have any time limit, and it supports recording with internal and external audio, and it also adds some editing features like trimming, merging, and adding subtitles. The next one is X Recorder by InShot. Now X Recorder do not also add watermark on it. It actually doesn't need a root to be made use of, and it also records in high resolution up to 1080 pixel and 60 frame rate, and it's also easy to share option and also supports game recording, to be precise. And then MobiZine Screen Recorder. This is actually having a simple interface which also enables you to edit with the tools included, and also doesn't include a watermark option in the premium, and it has internal and external audio recording option. The next one is ADV Screen Recorder. It has multiple recording engine, which is also default and advanced. This also has an overlay custom dodo while recording, and it also do not have a time limit and also doesn't have a watermark. Now let's look at the iOS option for screen recording. Now the first one is actually the built-in iOS screen recording from iOS 11 upwards. Now this is actually free and also pre-installed on iPhones. Now you can actually see other older iPhone screen recording. It still works, but I think the more better version is from iPhone 11, and it also supports internal and external audio recording, and you can also record full screen game and application. The next one is Record It. This is actually great for tutorial and game. It also has a built-in video editing and also a voice feature editing option. Now it's actually easy to share on YouTube and other social media after you finish recording or probably editing. The next is DU Recorder. It doesn't have a watermark, and it also doesn't have a time limit, and they also have option for live streaming features and also a high quality recording option like 1080 pixel and also 60 fps. Now there is TextMeet Capture. This is reliable for screen recording and sharing. It's also compatible with Camtasia for editing, and also supports recording with audio narrators. Now each of these great applications depends on your specific need. All you just need to do is to focus on what you are doing. If it's tutorial, pick the one that is good for tutorial. If it's gaming, pick the one that is good for gaming. But basically most of them are actually for professional use, which means you can use it for almost every other things, including gaming and tutorial. So let me know which one you think it is actually interested, and let me know which one you are going to be making use of, and I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you actually like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to see more notification, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.